Tomorrow, December 12th, the 1212 portal opens. If you miss it, you wait an entire year for the next one. No do-overs, no second chances. And here's what most people don't know. Portal days don't just make manifestation easier. They make it permanent. What takes months to shift on a regular day can lock in overnight during a portal. If you've been waiting for large sums to show up, tomorrow is the day you stop waiting and start commanding. I'm about to give you the exact ritual and the exact command to use when the portal opens. You get one shot. Don't waste it. The 1212 portal is an energetic opening. One day a year when the universe is tuned to the frequency of abundance. In numerology, 12 plus 12 equals 24, 2 plus 4 equals 6. And 6 is the number of wealth, material success, and large sums. Tomorrow, the channel between you and money is wide open. The resistance is gone. The blocks are thin. If you declare your identity during the portal, it doesn't just manifest money temporarily. It rewires you permanently. But the portal closes at midnight. After that, it's over. You're back to normal manifestation speed. So tomorrow isn't a day to try or hope. It's a day to declare who you are with so much force that the universe has no choice but to reorganize around it. And the command I'm giving you is designed specifically for portal energy. Short, direct, identity-based, undeniable. Here's the mistake. People treat portal days like regular days. They wake up, maybe they post about it, maybe they set a vague intention like, I want abundance, and that's it. They don't use the power. They don't command. They wait for the portal to do the work for them. It doesn't work that way. The portal amplifies whatever energy you bring to it. If you bring hope, it amplifies hope. If you bring doubt, it amplifies doubt. But if you bring a declaration, if you walk into tomorrow like someone who is built for wealth, not someone begging for it, the portal amplifies that. And that's when everything shifts. Not just for a day, for good. Let me explain why portal days actually work. Your subconscious is always filtering reality based on what it believes is possible. On normal days, that filter is thick. It's built from years of doubt, past failures, old programming. So even when you visualize or affirm, your subconscious is resisting. Yeah, right. That's not who you are. But on portal days, something shifts. The collective energy is elevated. Millions of people around the world are focusing on manifestation, abundance, and transformation. That creates a frequency wave. And when you step into that wave with a strong identity declaration, your subconscious has less room to resist. It's like the difference between trying to break through a brick wall versus walking through an open door. Tomorrow, the door is open. But you still have to step through with authority. Here's the lie that's keeping you stuck. I'll just see what happens. If the portal is real, something will show up. That's passive energy. That's spectator energy. And spectators don't manifest large sums. People who know who they are do. The portal doesn't hand you anything. It amplifies your declaration. But you have to make the declaration. And the way you do that is by commanding your identity. Not asking for money, not wishing you were worthy. You declare who you are, and the portal locks it in. Tomorrow is the day you become someone the universe recognizes as built for wealth. So here's the command you're using tomorrow. And this one is different from everything I've given you before. It's not about calling money in, it's about declaring who you are. And when you declare your identity during a portal, it doesn't just attract wealth temporarily, it rewires you permanently. Ready? I am built for wealth. Say it with me. I am built for wealth. Not I want wealth, not I'm trying to attract wealth, not maybe one day I'll be wealthy. I am built for wealth. 4 words. Present tense, identity. You're not asking the universe to give you something. You're telling the universe who you are. And when the portal is open, that declaration hits different. It roots deeper. It locks in faster. The universe has to reorganize itself around your identity. Let me say it again, slowly, so it sinks all the way in. I am built for wealth. Not, I will be built for wealth someday. Not, I hope I'm worthy of wealth. You are built for it. Right now, it's in your design. It's in your wiring. And tomorrow, When the 1212 portal is fully open, you're going to say this with so much certainty that your entire reality has no choice but to match it. Before I give you the ritual, I need you to lock this command in right now. Pause this video, go to the comments, and type exactly this. I am built for wealth. Do it right now. Don't wait until tomorrow. Because when you write it today, you're priming your subconscious for the portal. You're telling your brain, tomorrow, this is who I am, someone who is built for wealth. And when you scroll the comments and see hundreds of other people declaring the same thing, you'll feel the wave building. That's the portal energy starting to gather. So go now. Type, I am built for wealth. Reply to someone else and say, 1212 we declare, or built for this. Then come back. Because now I'm going to give you the exact ritual to do tomorrow when the portal opens. Here's the exact ritual you're doing tomorrow. And this isn't optional. If you want the portal to work, you have to show up with intention. You can't just think about it. You have to do it. The ritual has 3 parts. It takes less than 10 minutes. But those 10 minutes will determine whether you step into 2026 as someone built for wealth or someone still hoping for it. Time. Do this ritual anytime on December 12th, but the most powerful window is between 6 a.m. and 12 p.m. Morning energy is activation energy. If you can't do morning, do it before midnight. Just make sure it happens on December 12th. Place. Somewhere quiet. No distractions. Turn off your phone. Close the door. Sit or stand. Doesn't matter. What matters is you're fully present. Now let me break down the 3 parts. Before you declare anything, you have to ground into your body. Most people skip this. They jump straight into affirmations with scattered energy and nothing sticks. You're not doing that. Here's how you ground. Stand with your feet flat on the floor. If you're sitting, make sure both feet are touching the ground. Place your right hand on your heart, your left hand on your stomach. Close your eyes. Take 3 deep breaths, slow, intentional. On each exhale, imagine any doubt, any fear, any this won't work energy leaving your body. Just let it drain out. By the 3rd breath, you should feel calm, present, ready. This is your energetic reset. You're clearing out the old frequency so the portal can lock in the new one. Don't rush this. Give yourself 2 full minutes to ground. The calmer you are, the deeper the command lands. Once you're grounded, you're ready for part 2. This is the core. This is where you use the portal. With your eyes still closed, hands still on your heart and stomach, you're going to say the command out loud. And you're going to say it like you mean it. Not like you're trying to convince yourself. Like you're stating a fact. Say it 3 times, slowly, with full conviction. I am built for wealth. I am built for wealth. I am built for wealth. After the 3rd time, pause. Let it sit in your body. Feel what it feels like to be someone who is built for wealth, not someone trying to become wealthy, someone who already is, by design. Your bones know it. Your cells know it. You are built for this. Then, still with your eyes closed, say it 3 more times, but this time louder, with more force, like you're declaring it to the universe. I am built for wealth. I am built for wealth. I am built for wealth. Now the portal knows. Now your subconscious knows. Now the universe has to respond. You just declared your identity during one of the most amplified days of the year. That's locked in. The last part is how you seal it. You're going to visualize for 3 minutes. And this isn't random daydreaming. You're going to see one specific thing. Large sums showing up as proof that you are built for wealth. Maybe you see your bank account with the number you want. Maybe you see a check in your hand. Maybe you see a client paying you. Maybe you see yourself making a decision only someone built for wealth would make. Pick one scene. Make it clear. And see it like it already happened. As you're visualizing, feel the certainty. Feel the calm. You're not hoping this happens. You're remembering that it did. Because you are built for wealth, and wealth always finds what it's built for. Stay in that scene for 3 full minutes. Let it become real in your mind. Let your body believe it. When the 3 minutes are up, open your eyes. Take one final deep breath and say out loud, one last time, I am built for wealth. Then go about your day. Don't obsess over when it's coming. Don't check your bank account every hour. You did the ritual. The portal received it. Now you let it work. The large sums will show up. Not because you begged, because you declared who you are, and the universe has no choice but to match it. Let me tell you why this 3-part ritual is so powerful. Part 1 clears the resistance. Part 2 declares the identity. Part 3 seals it into your subconscious as truth. Most people only do Part 2. They say an affirmation and wonder why nothing changes. But without grounding first, the declaration is shaky. And without sealing it with visualization, it doesn't root. This ritual forces all 3. And when you do all 3 during a portal day, when the energetic channel is wide open, it doesn't just create a temporary shift, it creates a permanent rewiring. After tomorrow, you won't be the same person. You'll move differently. You'll decide differently. You'll expect differently. Because you will be someone who is built for wealth. And once that identity locks in, large sums have no choice but to follow. Now let me tell you what's going to happen after you do this ritual tomorrow. Because if you don't know what to expect, you might miss the signs and think it didn't work. Within 24 to 48 hours, you're going to notice a shift in how you feel. You'll move through your day differently, more calm, more certain, less desperate. That's the first sign the portal worked. Your energy changed. And when your energy changes, opportunities start appearing that match the new frequency. Within 3 to 7 days, something will show up. It might not be the full large sum yet. It might be a lead, a message, an idea, a conversation, a small payment you weren't expecting. Do not dismiss it. That's the universe confirming, I heard your declaration, here's the first proof. When you acknowledge the small proof, the larger proof comes faster. Within 2 to 3 weeks. This is when most people see the large sum or the major opportunity. A client, a bonus, a refund, a deal, an unexpected payment, something that wouldn't have happened if you hadn't done the ritual. And here's the key. When it shows up, don't act shocked. Don't say, oh my God, I can't believe it. Say, of course, I am built for wealth. This is normal for me. Because how you receive it determines whether it keeps coming. But here's what you need to understand. The portal accelerates things. It doesn't guarantee they show up in 24 hours. Some people will see results within days. Others will see it in 2 weeks. But everyone who does the ritual with full presence will see something shift. The timeline depends on how much resistance you're still carrying and how aligned your actions are after the portal closes. Now let me show you the 3 mistakes that will destroy the portal energy and cancel out everything you did in the ritual. Mistake number 1. Doing the ritual but going back to broke behavior the rest of the day. You do the ritual in the morning. You declare, I am built for wealth. You feel powerful. Then 2 hours later, you're complaining about bills. You're stressing about money. You're making fear-based decisions. You just canceled the declaration. The portal gave you the amplification, but your behavior the rest of the day told the universe, never mind, I'm still broke. If you're going to do the ritual, you have to carry the identity for the entire day. Every decision you make on December 12th should come from someone who is built for wealth. That doesn't mean be reckless. It means don't operate from lack. Don't panic. Don't shrink. Move like someone who knows large sums are already on the way. Here's your challenge. And this is non-negotiable if you're serious about using the 1212 portal. Tomorrow, December 12th, you set aside 10 minutes. No excuses, no I'll try. You do the full ritual. Part 1. Ground yourself. Hand on heart, hand on stomach. 3 deep breaths. Clear the resistance. Part 2. Declare the command 6 times. 3 times soft, 3 times loud. I am built for wealth. Part 3. Visualize for 3 minutes. See large sums showing up. Feel it as done. Then you go about your day carrying that identity. Every decision, every conversation, every thought, you're moving as someone who is built for wealth. Not hoping, not wishing, built. And here's the accountability part. After you do the ritual tomorrow, come back to this video. Find your comment where you wrote, I am built for wealth, and reply to yourself. Write, 12-12 ritual complete, or the portal is locked in, or I declared it. Let this community know you showed up. And when you see someone else's update, celebrate them. Reply, built for this, or we're in, or the portal heard us. Because here's what happens when you publicly declare you did the work. Your subconscious takes it more seriously. You're not just thinking about it, you're accountable to it. And accountability creates follow-through. Follow-through creates results. Now let me tell you what's going to happen in the next 2 to 3 weeks if you actually do this. You're going to start noticing things. Small at first. A message you weren't expecting. An opportunity you didn't chase. A payment that shows up randomly. And your first instinct might be to dismiss it. That's just coincidence. But it's not. That's the portal working. That's the universe responding to your declaration. And if you acknowledge it, if you say, thank you, this is proof I am built for wealth, more will come. Bigger things, larger sums, faster timelines. Because the universe rewards people who recognize what it sends, but it stops sending to people who reject the signs. So tomorrow you do the ritual, then you watch, you stay present, you honor every sign, and within 2 to 3 weeks, you're going to come back here and update us on what showed up. Maybe it's $500, maybe it's $5,000, maybe it's an opportunity that turns into $50,000. Whatever it is, it's proof that you are built for wealth, and the 12-12 portal locked it in. Here's what I know for sure. Portal days are rare, they don't come often, and the people who use them intentionally are the ones who manifest things that seem impossible to everyone else. Tomorrow is your portal. Tomorrow is your amplification day. Tomorrow is the day you declare who you are with so much authority that the universe has no choice but to reorganize around it. I am built for wealth. Not someday. Not if you're lucky. Not if you work hard enough. You are built for it, right now. It's in your design. And tomorrow, the December 12th portal makes sure the universe hears that loud and clear. Don't miss this. Don't treat it like just another day. Show up. Do the ritual. Declare your identity. And let the portal do what it does best. Amplify the truth of who you are until your reality has no choice but to match it. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of this community. You didn't find this video by accident. You found it because tomorrow is your day. The portal is waiting for you. The command is ready. All you have to do is show up and declare it. If you want more portal rituals, more manifestation systems, more protocols that actually work, make sure you're subscribed, hit that bell. I'll see you in the next one. And I'll see you back here after tomorrow when you update us on what the December 12th portal brought into your life. Your wealth is already built in. Tomorrow, you just make it official. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you in the next one.